See why you have this.
No.
I think you guys were the messiest group the last time as far as getting the glue on the table, so we decided to put down the...
Oh, we were also the fastest group.
You were the fastest, but
No,
messiest.
it's like this, Jake.
Oh.
Uh-oh, what?
Well, I never glued before.
Jake, we told you how to glue it.
No, you didn't.
Yes, we did.
What are you doing wrong?
I literally told you how to glue it.
You put it on all
and
four
you watched
sides.
me do it last time. Jake's smart.
I did not watch Ethan do it last
Here,
time.
you're only supposed to do it 3
What were
sides.
you doing last time? Okay,
Being the quality control specialist.
Jake, I thought you were prepared for this.
Dissension in the group.
You wasted us time, man.
No, it's
Waste
fine.
Any time.
It's fine.
Okay.
Well, we just don't touch the glue there, so.
I'll wipe it off with my finger. I don't care.
No, don't.
All right. After this is done that I'm gluing right now, I'm gonna go down and.
No,
So
no.
hard to move.
Look what you've done.
My gosh.
Go team.
So
Go
I'll take,
team.
I'll take the top. Just take it. Take a new top. Just pass that top back.
Here, should I get a new one?
We've done this wonderfully. It's fine.
You're actually still doing okay. The average time per box for groups has been 2 minutes. You're still under that, so.
All right.
Okay. Go.
Has this one been glued?
All right. Or you re-glue it because it got dropped and the glue is less effective now. So that's the back.
There we go.
So this
All right.
is.
Let me know when you're
This is
done.
another
Oh my
side.
gosh.
Oh, I would know.
Okay. So.
Here, I'm gonna.
It got kind of out of line.
Yeah.
So will you hold it? Like I'll kind of try and.
Okay.
I was gonna say that would be good. You guys can kind of.
Here, I'll hold it tight so that
There we go.
You might need more glue.
Yeah, there we go.
There we go.
I think we got it.
You think you need more glue? All right.
Okay.
Alright, there's that.
I think I can control some quality on this one now.
Oh. Oh no. No, that. Trying to fix this.
Did you break it?
No, I didn't. It was already broke.
This is his quality spot right here.
Hey, Ethan glued
Okay, you might wanna help me with this one again.
Hold on.
That was a bad idea. I just picked it up from the top.
Yeah, be careful.
Alright, how you doing with the box? Need help?
Here you go. Oh my god.
Where am I supposed to set these? Just
Why are we missing a
kind
back?
of.
Yeah, I guess.
Oh, never mind. We're not missing a back. I'm just an idiot. Okay.
Yeah, I need help with. You might want to do quality after you get a little. Here, I'll hold this one.
Well, we gotta do quality control during here and after.
Here.
We can't.
So
do it.
yeah, I
before
see
you
you pass
just let
that.
this sit like right here, because, so we'll.
Here. Here, you hold on. Okay, here, turn around, turn around.
Sure, finish off quality control on this one.
I already did it.
Alright.
You can, Ethan, you can bring it over to the manufactured
There we go.
inventory.
It's good, it's good.
Just set it on
Just
top
need
of the. There we go.
You got one open. These backers. These sides are too big. Where's copper?
I don't think they're too big.
Okay.
I think it was good.
Great, your pen is really bad. I've actually never used a word pen.
Did you already do the
Did you hold it
copper?
together? Yeah.
Jake, did you already do freaking?
No, that's your job.
That's your
Oh.
job now.
Oh, then you might have to run and get the other one.
Wait, what do you need? I can get it.
Oh no, this is
Actually
actually
a very
very
important
important.
There's,
box.
Ethan set a box up there that they weren't done with yet, I guess, so it's the one on the far right there, yeah.
That one.
This one?
Oh, sorry, on top, the second on the
Yeah,
far right,
one that
yep.
has glue across the front.
Measure.
Right.
40
Okay,
is...
here, I'll hold this down.
What box?
Here, you
That-
just,
that
you
one's
just.
40.
40? Okay.
Yeah, this
No,
is...
look at that, look at that.
127
Yeah, we need the,
43 millimeters.
we need the depth on 39.
Point 43? Alright,
Yeah.
do that.
Do the
Okay.
depth on that one? So is this one good? Oh, you need a sticker still.
You got the weight here? This is 128.62 for 42
for 42?
No, 39. 39 is 128.62.
128, 40 what?
39.
39 is,
128.7.
okay. And check 41 right here, don't break our boxes.
Don't break the
Is 40 all done?
This is 42.
That's 42.
This is 128.17.
We have not weighed 41 yet, that one's right there. 41 is what?
128.15.
Okay.
Did we do 39?
Weight.
Yeah, we did.
This one right here.
42 is 129 flat.
Okay.
42.
Ooh, nice.